Hi everyone, welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we had studied about the successor and predecessor of a number. What is meant by successor? The number just after the given number is called the successor. And what is the predecessor? The number just before the given number is called the predecessor of a number. Okay, so we have studied about it and now let's do our exercise questions. Okay, so in the text, you are given exercise 4 and in that the first question is to write the predecessor of the given number. Okay. In the exercise, our first question is to write the predecessor of a given number. And in that, we are doing the deed question first. In question 1, deed question we are doing. Okay. And the number given is 9870. What we have to do? We have to find the predecessor of this number. So, to find the predecessor, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the given number, isn't it? So, predecessor equal to predecessor of 9817 equal to 9817 minus 1, isn't it? So, while subtracting, what we will get? 9817 minus 1. We are subtracting 1. Okay, so 7 minus 1. What makes 7 minus 1? 7 minus 1 is 6. And in tens place, we will get 1. In hundreds place, it's 8. And in thousands place, we will get 9. So, after subtracting 1 from 9817, what we got? Got 9816. So, this is the predecessor of 9817. Okay. Next, we are moving to our next question. Question number E. And the number given is 5470. We have to find the predecessor of this number. Predecessor of 5470. To find the predecessor, what we have to do? We have to just subtract 1 from the number. So, after subtracting, what we will get? 5470 minus 1. Minus 1 gives what we will get? Here, look, here 0 is in ones place. So, we can't subtract any number from 0. So, we have to borrow from the next place, isn't it? So, here it becomes 6 in tens place and we are borrowing 1 and it makes 10. So, 10 minus 1, we will get 9. And here in tens place, we will get 6. In hundreds place, it's 4. And in thousands place, it's 5. So, after subtracting 1 from 5470, what we got? We got 5469. So, predecessor of 5470 is 5469. Okay. Next, we are moving to our second question in the exercise. And the second question is to write the successor of the given numbers. We have to find the successor of the numbers. And in that, we are doing the sixth question. Question number C. And it is 8173. We have to find the successor of this number 8173. And what will be the successor? We are finding the successor. We have to add 1 to this number, isn't it? We have to add 1 to 8173. And plus 1 gives what will be? 3 plus 1 will be 4. And then 7, 1, 8 in thousands place. So, the number is 8174. So, the successor of 8173 is 8174. Okay. And next question. Question number D. The number is 6749. 6749. And we have to find the successor of 6,749. What we have to do? We have to add 1 to this number, isn't it? So 6,749 plus 1. Plus 1 makes what? Here 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? 10 is there. So we are writing 0 in ones place and 1 is carried to the next place, to the tens place. So here tens place is 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is what? 5. It's 5. Then again in hundreds place it's 7. In thousands place is 6. So the number is 6,750. So the successor of 6,749 is 6,750. Okay. So next we are moving to our third question in the exercise. The third question is to write the predecessor and successor of the smallest 3-digit number. Okay. So which is the smallest 3-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number is 100, isn't it? Smallest 3-digit number is 100. So here we have to find the successor and predecessor of 100. Okay. So first we will find the predecessor of 100. So predecessor is equal to, how we are finding the predecessor? To find the predecessor we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Here we are subtracting 1 from 100 to get the predecessor. Okay, so 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1, what we will get? Here look, here in ones place the digits are 0 and 1. So we can't do the subtraction, isn't it? So we have to borrow from the next place. So after borrowing, what we will get? Here in hundreds place it will become 0. In tens place, when we are doing it 10 and then we are borrowing it, and here comes, here in tens place it's become 9 and in ones place got 10 after borrowing. So 10 minus 1, what will be the answer? 10 minus 1, it's 9 and in tens place it's again 9. So the answer is 100 minus 1, what we got? It's 99. So 100 minus 1, we got 99 as the answer. Okay. And next, we have to find the successor also. We have to find the successor of 100, isn't it? So successor of 100 is what? What we have to do to find the successor? We have to add 1 to the given number. So 100 plus 1. We have to add 1. 100 plus 1. What is 100 plus 1? The 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? Any number. When we are adding any number to 0, the answer will be that number itself. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 0, 0, 0. Then in hundreds place, it's again 1. So 100 plus 1 is 101. So we got the predecessor and successor of smallest 3-digit number 100. Okay. Predecessor is 99 and the successor is 101. So in this class, we studied how to find the successor and predecessor of the numbers. Isn't it? Predecessor of a number is the number that is just before the given number. And what is successor? Successor is the number that is just after the given number. Okay. So I will send you the notes and homeworks. You have to do it yourself. Okay. Till then, be safe at home. Okay. Thank you, children.